Hi, welcome to Grade 5th cbse All Subject by Savita Faude YouTube channel. Kids, this one our GK lecture, the popular knowledge tree for class 5th. Yes, today we start second one chapter, Wildlife Sanctuaries and National Park. Question 1 textbook given here. In column A, the description of some of the famous wildlife sanctuaries are given. Match them with their names in column B. Column A and column B. Column A, first one, this wildlife sanctuary is located on the Western Ghats, means Kerala, and also share its border with Tamil Nadu. It provides habitat to 34 species of mammals including tiger, panther, spotted deer, Indian elephant and Nilgiri tahar. And column B, you can see Sariksha Wildlife Sanctuary, Chilka Wildlife Sanctuary, Chinnar Wildlife Sanctuary, Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary and even Bhimbath Wildlife Sanctuary. Then first one, this one option, Chinnar Wildlife Sanctuary. Okay, and this one second one, this wildlife sanctuary is located in state of Bihar in the south of the Ganges river and northern edge of a Chota Nagpur plateau. It has rich flora and fauna but mainly famous for its bird life. This one, last one, Bhimbant Wildlife Sanctuary. And third one, this wildlife sanctuary is situated in the Aravalli hills of Rajasthan, along with a diverse flora and fauna. This place is to great historical and religious interest. It provides habitat to tiger, leopard, striped hyena, nilgai, chital, etc. This one, Sariksha Wildlife Sanctuary. We can match. Fourth one, this wildlife sanctuary is situated in Odisha. It is home to bullock, buck, hyena, golden jackal, spotted deer, dolphin, crab, and prawn, among others. It is also known for its spectacular sunset and sunrise. This one, Chilka Wildlife Sanctuary. And fifth one, it is one of the most famous wildlife sanctuaries in South India, Kerala. It has a 100 years old artificial lake. At its heart, it is a favored area of wild elephant and tigers. This one, Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary. In question second, chapter second, in column A, the description of some of the famous national park are given. Match them with their names in a column B. Column A and column B, you can see here. First one, the national park is located on a river delta and is home to Royal Bengal tigers, rare saltwater crocodiles, olive redly turtles, a wide variety of birds and reptiles. It is listed as one of the UNESCO World Heritage Sites in India. This one we can match Sundarbans National Park. Second one, this national park is settled in the lap of northeast India in Assam and is also listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is home to a large population of one-horned rhinoceros in the world. This one, D1, Kaziranga National Park. for second one. Okay. Fourth one, this national park in Karnataka is settled among picturesque beauty of the Western Ghats and is a part of the Nilgiri biosphere, once the hunting grounds of the Maharaja of Mysore. It is now sanctuary for tigers. Fourth one for Bandipur National Park. And fifth one, settled on the foothills of Uttarakhand, established in 1936. It was the first national park in India and was a shelter to the endangered Royal Bengal tigers. This one for we match Jim Corbett National Park. And sixth one, close to the town of Swami Madhopur in Rajasthan, this national park was used formerly as hunting grounds by the Rajputana royalty. It provides one of the best locations in India to see tigers in their national environment. This one we match A1 Ratambore National Park. This type we finish our second GK chapter. Next GK lecture we start third one chapter, India's famous personalities. Till it, bye bye kids.